stuck. So we get this out. There we go. Squeeze this through. Grab it on the other side. And there we go. Almost got it. This button is really, really gross. See all that crud built up on it. You just go like that. And that will get it nice and clean. And you go around this area, brush that out as well as you can. You get the little notches where it tightens in. You don't want to get that dirty again. The system is dirty as hell. Maybe I'll clean that, but the company's buying it, so it's not a big deal. But I'll show you now. The button actually works, where before it didn't. Now look. Now it's working perfectly. So I just saved myself $5 by fixing it myself. So there you go.